So what does your crystal ball tell you of what lies ahead for housing here?
Well, demographics is not going to be the great savior. And since you brought up Ivy, they've done that. They've done the analysis. The growth rate of millennials in their prime home buying years is about 1.2%. At the same point in time, when baby boomers were coming into their prime home buying years, that cohort's growth rate was 4.5%. So
Interesting.
just net out anything going on in the economy right now in terms of the growth rate of the economy, the underlying demand for homes, it's a quarter of what it was when baby boomers were coming into their highest earning years and buying homes. But on top of that, you've had this GSE imposition of higher fees to buy second homes. And I was kind of astounded at the simple number, the sheer. When you think of simple homes, you think of really wealthy people who are going out and buying vacation homes for cash. I was apparently very wrong about that. They're going out and taking on a second mortgage because that makes sense, right? I guess it does. But since these GSE fees have been imposed on April the 1st, we've seen second home sales crash. Now, at the margin, that's what you always want to be focused at. What has been one of the key drivers in the current housing explosion? Second home sales. Mr. and Mrs., we're going to leave our place in Chicago. We're going to go buy a mansion on a lake somewhere, and we're just going to live out COVID. We better winterize it while we're there. Oh, now that it's winterized, I really like to live here, but wait, and I've got two homes. So, and my stock portfolio has gone to bleep. And so now it's time to choose, which one do I sell? So my point is, because the GSEs have imposed this fee, we've seen literally a crash, look back at Redfin, a crash in second home sales. On top of that, the wealth effect, the reversal of the wealth effect on the stock portfolio is going to have many wealthy Americans looking and saying, which of these two homes do I want to pay for all the maintenance, property taxes, insurance, everything, upkeep on, and mortgage payment, by the way. So I think in a year's time, we could be talking about an oversupply issue, especially if you tack on the fact that we're constructing more single family homes since we haven't any time since 1973. Oh, and by the way, the multifamily pipeline is jammed